Good morning, sir. This is my activities in SIM 223. I'm John Michael Balagot, section G2E. And this is the title, be basic initial stability nomenclature. And the basic the the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship includes the following terms. The key terms of defined GM metacentric height between center of gravity and metacenter. Kg height of center of gravity from the keel. Km height of the metacenter from the keel. Kb height of center of buoyancy from the keel. And Gc horizontal distance between weight and buoyancy forces. B is the center of buoyancy. M is the metacenter. G is center of the gravity. O is angle of heel. And this is the explanation of metacentric height is measure of ship's initial stability. A higher GM value indicates better initial stability. And initial stability is a ship too small. Changes in the difference between the vertical forces applied on its two sides. And stability of a ship is its tendency to return to its original upright shape between an external force is applied or removed. And the factors affecting stability is the shape of the hull, the craft, and the turn all affect the stability of a ship. And this is the displays content related to ship stability in a naval architecture or maritime studies. Definition: ship stability refers to its tendency to return to the original upright state when an external force is applied or removed. Affecting factors: hull shape, draft, and trim impact stability. Diagram elements. Levels represents critical stability parameters. Key is baseline reference point at the bottom of the hull. G is point where the ship's total weight is concentrated. B is point where the upward buoyant force acts. M is intersection point vertical lines through B when upright and inclined. Kg is vertical distance from keel to center of gravity. Bm is the vertical distance from center of buoyancy to metacenter. Jm is vertical distance from center of gravity to metacenter. A K indicator of initial stability. Kn is related to stability when the ship is inclined. And that's all. Would like to now how to calculate using to earn terms less here. And that's all. Thank you, sir.